Class 4th, Subject English Grammar, Lesson number 2, Kinds of Sentence. Definition of sentence. Sentence means a sentence, a group of words which complete full sense. There are 4 different kinds of sentence. In that, first one is declarative sentence. We can say it assertive sentence. We can say it simple sentence. Otherwise, you can say it statement. Now, second one is interrogative sentence. Third one is exclamatory sentence. And fourth one is imperative sentence. Let's start first one, declarative sentence. The sentence which start from noun and pronoun and end of the sentence is full stop is called declarative sentence. A declarative sentence makes a statement can be of 2 types. First one is affirmative, second one is negative. Study the following statements. Look at these examples, both having positive as well as negative. Now, first one is affirmative sentence, he is late. The same sentence in negative, he isn't late. After helping verb, we have to put there negative, means n comma t. Second one is Priya can speak English. In negative, Priya can't speak English. Now, affirmative, the sun has risen. In negative, the sun hasn't risen. Fourth one, affirmative, he lives in Bombay. In negative, he doesn't live in Bombay. Fifth one, Misha ran fast. Affirmative, negative, Misha didn't run fast. Suppose helping verb, first form of the main verb is there, we have to take do. Suppose yes or es is there, we have to take does. And suppose second form of the main verb is there, we have to take there did. Now, second one is interrogative sentence. The sentence which start from WH word, otherwise do, did, does, and end of the sentence is question mark. At that time, we identify that is interrogative sentence. Now, look at these examples. Some sentences can start from helping verb, otherwise do, did, does, otherwise WH word. Examples, do you play cricket? Question mark. Now in this sentence, the sentence start from do and the end of the sentence is question mark. Second one sentence, can you lift this box? This sentence started from helping verb and end of the sentence is question mark. Third sentence, did Rekha sing a song? The sentence start from did and the end of the sentence is question mark. Now, fourth one is, where are you going? The sentence started from WH word and the end of the sentence question mark. The same sentence, fifth one also, what is your father? This sentence also start from WH word and end of the sentence is question mark. Now, next one, exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence shows a sudden feelings, pleasure, like pleasure, anger, surprise, etc. Now, look at these examples. First sentence, how stupid he is. Now, this sentence is started from how and the end of the sentence is exclamation mark. That's the reason this sentence is exclamatory sentence, and exclamatory sentence always start from how or what a and the end of the sentence is exclamation mark. Examples, how stupid he is. In this sentence started from how and the end of the sentence is exclamation mark. Second one, what a lovely flower. In this sentence, the sentence start from what a and the end of the sentence exclamation mark. Third one is how wonderful. In this sentence, the sentence started from how and the end of the sentence is exclamation mark. Next sentence, what a nice photo is. The sentence started from what a and end of the sentence is exclamation mark. Fifth one, how lucky I am. This sentence is started from how and the end of the sentence is exclamation mark. Now next one is imperative sentence. The sentence which start from the first form of the main verb and the end of the sentence is full stop is called imperative sentence. Imperative sentence gives instructions or advice or expresses a command. Look at these examples. Example number 1, help the poor. In this sentence, the sentence start from main verb and the end of the sentence is full stop. Second one, get out at once. The sentence start from first form of the main verb and the end of the sentence is full stop. Third one is shut the door. The sentence which start from main verb, first form of the main verb and the end of the sentence is full stop. Fourth one, go there. In this sentence also, go is first form of the main verb and the end of the sentence is full stop. Fifth one, change the voice. The sentence is start from first form of the main verb and the end of the sentence is full stop. Now here some sentences are there. We have to identify which type of sentence it is. Example, suppose declarative, exclamatory, interrogative and imperative. Let's we see. The boys flew kites. This sentence is declarative. Learn your lesson. This sentence is imperative. What is your name? This sentence is interrogative. Does he live in this house? This sentence is interrogative. Show me your purse. This sentence is imperative. How foolish Chinky is. This sentence is exclamatory. Misha does not like sweets. This sentence is declarative. What a lovely child. This sentence is exclamatory. Come here. This sentence is imperative. What a beautiful night. This sentence is exclamatory. Were you happy there? This sentence is interrogative. She finished her work. This sentence is declarative. Today, in this way, we learnt what is meant by sentence and types of sentences. Thank you.